Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we've got a special treat for you as we take an exclusive look into the daily life of a software engineer. But hold on tight because this isn't your typical 9-to-5 desk job. Our software engineer doesn't just code, they also navigate the exciting world of drones. So, grab your favorite coding snack, and let's dive into, From Desk to Drone, a day in the life of a software engineer. Our software engineer's day kicks off at 7 a.m. with a strong cup of coffee. After all, caffeine is the lifeblood of any coding warrior. With a quick check of emails and a glance at the day's tasks, it's time to head to the office. From 9 a.m. to noon, our engineer is immersed in the world of code. Lines upon lines of intricate algorithms and bug fixes fill the screen. It's a dance between creativity and logic as they work on optimizing existing software and developing new features. We'll get a sneak peek into their latest project, a cutting-edge drone navigation system. No day in the life of a software engineer is complete without a lunch break. Our engineer takes a stroll to the local tech hangout, sharing ideas and insights with colleagues. Networking is key in this dynamic field, and our engineer values every opportunity to exchange knowledge. The afternoon is reserved for team collaboration. Meetings, brainstorming sessions, and code reviews dominate the agenda. Our software engineer thrives on the collaborative energy of the team, ensuring that everyone is on the same page and pushing the project forward. As the clock strikes 4 p.m., our engineer faces a coding challenge. A particularly tricky bug needs to be squashed before the end of the day. The pressure is on, but our engineer thrives in these moments, combining skill and determination to conquer the challenge. Now, things get really interesting. As the sun sets, our engineer transitions from desk work to drone development. Armed with a different set of tools, they dive into the world of hardware integration and flight algorithms. We'll witness the process of transforming code into real-world drone movements. But this isn't a job confined to four walls. Our software engineer straps on their pilot goggles and takes the drone for a test flight. It's a surreal experience to see lines of code translate into agile maneuvers in the open sky. We'll follow our engineer to a designated testing area where they put the drone through its paces. Of course, not everything goes smoothly. We'll capture moments when our engineer faces unexpected challenges during the field test. It's all part of the job, troubleshooting on the fly and applying quick fixes to ensure the drone's optimal performance. As the night falls, our engineer wraps up the day by documenting the day's progress and reflecting on what worked and what could be improved. This crucial step ensures a continuous cycle of learning and refinement. And there you have it, a day in the life of a software engineer seamlessly transitioning from desk to drone. If you enjoyed this behind-the-scenes look, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more exclusive content. Until next time, happy coding!